Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is a little bit different compared to my everyday usual videos. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get my curly hair looking straight, and this is just after I washed my hair. So all I'm doing right now is I am brushing through my wet hair. So I've already applied some Tresemme heat protectant spray, and I'm going to jump straight into drying my hair. So I have the temperature on a warm temperature, nothing too hot because my hair is already very brittle from all of the damage that I've had over the past couple of months. So yeah, just got it on medium, and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and brush out all of the curls. Okay guys, so you guys can see my hair is pretty thick and frizzy. My hair is super smooth thanks to my amla oil shampoo and conditioner. These babies have been helping my hair feel so nourished and so beautiful, silky smooth, and it's just amazing. So I've been using this for the past month and I absolutely love it. They just came out with it, so I'm not sure how many outlets you can get it at, but I will leave the link in the description, and I will tell you guys what stores these products are available at. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty frizzy, pretty huge, especially once it's dried. The reason for that is because my curls are so intense. Like if you brush out my curls, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a whole lot of volume, which I personally don't mind because I love volume. So I'm gonna show you guys how I normally straighten my hair. I have the Coriolis, and the heat settings are on this small remote, and normally I used to go in with like 400 Fahrenheit, but yikes, that was burning my hair a lot, so I brought it down to about like probably 200. So yeah, I'm just keeping it on that. The plates are super thin, so it really gets into the root, and it's also titanium plates. Basically, I'm just going to be grabbing this amount of hair from the bottom all the way to the top. So if you guys want to see how I get it done, then please keep on watching. Once I come to the top of my head, which is the crown, then I like to tear apart the sides of my face and take out two small equal sections. Okay guys, so this is the final result. My hair feels super smooth and super duper soft, and the reason for that was because of the oils that I apply during the week. Is, believe it or not, a food coconut oil. This I purchased from Discam. I use it for my hair, my face, my body, everything, because you guys, this coconut oil is not just an ordinary one. It is odorless, and beyond that, it does not smell or feel like coconut oil, and it also does not soak into the skin as a normal oil would do. So this, once you apply it on your skin or your face or your hair, it really goes into your skin, so it doesn't feel oily, and it does not feel sticky or anything like that. So I really suggest you guys get your hands on this. It is used for so many things besides just eating it. And the next oil that I use during the week is the amla oil. I will leave a picture somewhere here, and yeah, that's basically what I use during the week. I apply the oils on a Monday, and then I wash it out on a Friday. And this just allows the oils just to soak up in my hair and really get into the roots of my hair and also into my scalp. So I really want my hair to grow out. So amla oil is so perfect for growth and shine, and the coconut oil is really going to nourish your hair, especially if you have bust and dry hair. Another oil that I love using is the argan oil hair treatment. Now this I use not only on my eyebrows and my eyelashes, I also use it at the tips of my at the tip of my hair. This also helps with bringing back the natural oils in your hair. It helps to remove the dry rusty bits at the tip of your hair, which I had and for the longest time, because I was not using any protectant while straightening my hair and all of that. So yeah, that's basically all the products that I've used to achieve my hair looking this way. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.